Okay, this time we will extract the root that we export from ECDIS to the OneOcean laptop. So I will just copy and paste it to the desktop. Paste here. So it's already in the desktop. So we open the OneOcean, and to import root, just press this import root and then root file, and then you can choose the one that you extract from the ECDIS, this one. Click open, and then after that import root.